Alright, playing this game because my grandson calls me BaBa. So let's see if we can get anything. We just got a bonus. Alright, don't know what I got, but push the button. That's crap. Ooh, we're raking it in. Do I get free spins? Yeah, I get free spins. Okay. That's cock, huh? Oh, what's that? A piggy. What happened? Give me something good. What are they giving me? Wild. Oh, that's good. 1,000 credits. Woohoo! That's loading up there too, I guess. Alright. One more free spin that really does nothing. Oh, a little bit of money. Oh, something happened. Oh! I fast pushed that one. What's going on? Look at that. Oh, I guess that was a good quick spin. Wow. That was a 20-buck spin, I believe. Alright, let's go. And that's all she wrote. 48 bucks. Not bad. Woohoo! Cool. Alright, what happened? We're frozen. Should I go for the red one? Sure, why not? One time. I just won big. 40 bucks. Oh, and I got that. Yeah, baby. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, that's just nothing. Oh, raking in them 80 cents, man. How about a minor, major? Oh, 320. Oh, I saw it. I saw it. Save it. Ah. Woohoo! $9. We almost got $50 profit. Let's see if we can get that red one. Go! Fire! Oh, fire! Break! It went off in 8 pops for the first one. Ooh. Oh, bummers. This is just like Dragon Link. Oh, bummers. Come on. Okay, one more push and we're done. Nope, I gotta play some more. I was gonna get on an even number. Come on, double wilds. Okay, we got an even number. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.